Hello and welcome to the Daily Thunk. Today we're asking the question, how many stars are in the Milky Way? The Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system and more than 200 billion other stars. It's a barred spiral galaxy, which means it has a central bar-shaped structure made up of stars. The number of stars in the Milky Way is not known exactly because it can be difficult to measure the exact size of the galaxy. However, scientists estimate that there are about 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. There are many ways to find out how many stars are in the Milky Way. The most accurate way would be to count them, but that would be an almost impossible task. The second way is to estimate how many there are. This is less accurate than counting, but if you know how big an average star is, then you can use that number as an estimate. For example, if you think that an average star size is about 1/10 of a light year, or 100 million kilometers, across, then there are around 100 billion stars in the Milky Way Galaxy. But some estimates place the number of stars at closer to 400 billion. Although 200 billion is a generally agreed estimate, it could be very much less or more than this number. But however many stars there are in the Milky Way now, that number is always changing, because new stars are always being born. The number of new stars born every day is unknown. Some astronomers estimate that between 100 to 300 stars are born in the Milky Way Galaxy each year. But a study published in the Astrophysical Journal in late 2011 estimated that there are about 500 new stars born each day. Stars are not eternal though, and they will eventually die, even our own sun. Stars are born from the gravitational collapse of interstellar gas and dust. They live for a few hundred million years before dying in either a spectacular supernova explosion or collapsing into a black hole. As stars age, they become hotter and brighter. This is because nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium at the star's core, releasing energy that heats up the star's outer layers. The process of nuclear fusion also causes heavier elements to form, which then get distributed throughout space when the star dies in a supernova explosion. This means that all new stars are made of material from previous generations of stars. And not just stars. Everything you see is made of stardust. That includes you. Every atom in your body was created in the heart of a star and released when that star exploded in a spectacular supernova. So, you aren't just a person thinking about the universe, you are the universe thinking about itself. So did you know that you were created in the heart of a star? What questions about the universe do you have? Do please leave a comment below, and while you're there, we'd really love it if you could take a moment to leave us a like. We post short videos like this every weekday, so please consider subscribing so we can look forward to joining you again in our next video.